Hi, so we start by understanding what is data. We process the data and then we got information, right? So, first, if you observe everything is information. It's just a information. Energy is also information, and information means meaning of something, and something here means data. If you think in a deep level, you can think as a universe is just like a hardware or memory or the physical structure of okay, and its length is infinite time, and software or information is just like a software is just like a information, and every software own way of storing the data in a memory. So likewise information is also scattered in the universe in a own way. Next 1 or 2 minutes we do some weird things. Okay, so see, it is not uh, asked anywhere in your job or interview or any exam. So okay, I will not waste your time, so let's move forward. And also you can at least you can spend some time like 5 to 15 minutes. So let's do thought experiment that let's suppose that they all jig jang big bang and dig dang. So this type of things happened very earlier, very billion year ago. Okay, so they are part of physical structure, and so these three player jig jang bing bang dig dang. So there are lots of things happening bang bang in the ancient time. Suddenly, what happens that they start thinking, and thoughts come in their mind that something is there in this universe, something is there. So that's where we start the gathering the data. Okay, so they all fell behind the question mark here, physical structure or universe. Nobody knows what is universe. Okay, that's why I am representing universe as this symbol. So, as specifically Big Bang, interested to know what it is, and here the journey of information is started. And Big Bang process the data, and after some time, what happens that like 0.000 billion time, he realized that he won't live long, and he searches some ways to save the information. So everybody in this universe is just want to save their information. Okay, so what he do, he searches some ways, or searches some ways to reproduce. Okay, so why he is doing that, to storing the data, to saving the data. Then Big Bang is dead, and they produce two things, antimatter and matter. And here first unit of time is created. So it look like this, and we create a database. This database is nothing, is just a representation of question mark here universe, and everything, whether is electron, bacteria, human being, okay, or star or galaxy, process some kind of data and extract the information and live life. Now comes to the human being. So if you go in ancient world, what you observe that human beings are storing the data by making drawings on stone, caves, trees, mountain. So it is true because we find the evidence of it. These things I will talk in detail in next video. For now, let's see. So even today we are doing same things. The only difference you will find in tools on technique. That's it. So for now, let's create a world, one bit world where, so there are two players here, Rob and Bomb. They both are robot and they have no brain. And here their life objective is to find a habitable planet in the solar system, other solar system, right? And They have capabilities to encode the information as their wish and develop some tools. They developed a NOT gate, and in NOT gate and by which they communicate. So this is not better tool, but in real life we not directly develop the better tool. Okay, it takes time. For example, for transportation, why you not create directly the hyperloop train? So first we create a cycle, then motorcycle. So like that, to create a better tool, it needs time. Then they both encoding the information. One here means 5 volt signal, and 0 means 0.001 volt signal. So this encoding we do for the tools. Okay, basically 1 here means life, 0 here means no life. Now let's assume that Bob and Rob go for a travel, and first Bob finds some uh, going somewhere in some solar system, and he finds some planet where he find the lots of water and some bacteria, and he want to send, hey, I find life, I found life in this planet. So he want to send the one, because one encoding means life. So how, for that he will use the tool. So what, for this he have to send the zero signal, 0.0, because it convert into 1. Okay, so it send this information to the Rob, and Rob finally got this information. Then after there is a blast or something like that happens, so that Bob no information is completely sent. So this is the point where Rob and Bob feel that they are exist in this universe, and Rob leave 1 unit of his time, and Bob leave 1 unit of time. So like that they live their own life. So similarly we live like that. So feeling of existence totally depend on the how fast you get information, and also depend on the distance. Distance means here is space. If distance is long, slow life. Slow life is doesn't mean that you live in a slow motion. It means that you not reached in your lifetime. And some energy like dark energy expand the space greater than the speed of light, and uh, speed of light is the greatest in this universe. So you can consider that it's slow the life or kill the life, dark energy. Likewise, in a human body basically made up of billions of electron network which communicate. That's we are feeling that we are live. If the connection between the electron is broken, then we will die definitely. Thank you for today.